Well, guys, it's finally raining at the property. Okay. So even in my truck, I'm sliding around on this road. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna have to put it in 4-wheel drive. Oh boy. This is gonna be fun in the winter. Whee! Or I need to get cinders put down like everybody else does, but see, there's some rocks here, which is some traction. But yeah, I'm gonna have to end up getting cinders. That's what everybody else does. And, at least on this part of the road. I don't know. And it dries up pretty fast too, so no big deal. My back end is sliding big time. It's crazy. I gotta go like, literally the speedometer is at 0 going down this road right now. And my owl I bought at a yard sale is floating around. Whee! Oh, I gotta watch out for that big rock right there. Oh my god. Oh, this is nuts. Absolutely. What? People don't go anywhere when it rains? The home stretch. Whee! Oh my gosh. Good job, Durango. I love you, old truck. Almost to the entrance of the property. And I am sliding everywhere. This is cool. We need to go this way. Oh no. I think I need to put it in 4-wheel drive, guys, just to get into my driveway. Come on, kick in 4-wheel drive. Okay. Well, see, I'm wearing my cowboy boots, which is like definitely not mud wear shoes. So I need to maybe keep my mud shoes in the car. I don't want to do this in my flops either. Like, I gotta get out and open the chain. Oh no. Oh, what am I gonna do? I have mud shoes in the trailer. Right there. Oh well. Hopefully I can collect enough rainwater to wash my shoes. Okay, as I expected, look at this. And look at the tires. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep. Okay. Well, it's a messy situation. Let's see if we can at least get into the parking lot here. we're in four-wheel drive. Oh no. Okay. And go. Alright, so far so good. Oh boy. Yeah. Even in four-wheel drive, I'm sliding all over the place, you guys. There's my trailer. Whee! Okay, I am going to pull up here. Back it in. I'm sliding. I'm literally sliding all over the place. Look at this. Yep. Okay, well, now I know why everybody puts cinders on their driveway. Although it's very, look here though, look at this, 63 degrees. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. All my little trees are getting watered. That makes me super happy. It's beautiful. I love it. We'll figure this road thing out later.